chicken. You do baby chicken. Baby chicken. Baby chicken. Baby chicken. To baby chicken. Baby chicken. Do it with two hands. Go, baby chicken. Put it up close to you, man. No. Right, get it on your finger. Get baby chicken on your finger and do. No, don't do it yet. No, not yet. Getting really close. Ready, steady. Baby chicken. And again.